run them through. So I actually ran a bunch of pine of that at the Empire Farm Day.
My name is Jack Beckwith. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the Northeast, and I'm based out of the New York branch. So here at the branch, we serve customers by having a complete parts inventory. The goal is to have minimal downtime for our customers, so if they need parts or blades for their mills, we most likely have them in stock. If they're local, they can come in. If they're not, we can usually get them ground shipping in a day or two right to the customer, and so just kind of to minimize their downtime and make sure they're successful. Customers visit our location, they're most likely greeted by our receptionist Nancy, and Nancy can determine what the customer's needs are, get them in touch with our field service technicians. We have Chris, Jacob, and Walter. Customer can meet with them, talk about their needs, whether they're looking for a new sawmill. Also, if they're looking to have their mill service, all three of those guys are very familiar with the product and can service the mill, get them realigned, and get them back out the door. The New York branch is in a pretty unique location. It's in upstate New York, located right on Lake Ontario, right on the shores of Lake Ontario here. So we're where the forests are, so that's where our customers are, and it's a nice location for them.
All right, folks, so this is our kiln that we have to show customers kind of a sample layout. What kiln is in here is what we call in the industry a dehumidification.
So our open house gives us this opportunity to meet the customer. It gives them an opportunity to come in and see the branch and see what Wood-Mizer has to offer.
If you are planning on drawing longer material or having
We're not just a shipping warehouse with no support. They get to meet our team, which is certainly the most valuable part of our branch here is our team, and they can build those personal relationships. A lot of times we're talking on the phone. They get to come in and make that connection, the face of the name. So that the open house kind of opens that door where we can make those connections. I think a customer would choose Wood-Mizer because Wood-Mizer created this market of the portable sawmill. We didn't stop there in 1982. We've been the leader of innovation, and every time there was a new technology in the industry, Wood-Mizer's name was on it. I would encourage customers to come in, visit us, maybe see a sawmill in action, get their hands on it, or even if you just wanted to come out and visit us and have a cup of coffee, we encourage customers to come out and see us.